This video is all about food.
A pretty little shrimp.
It's Kohi jelly!
Super cultural one. Got something already. Oh. Look at you, you're a pro.
You know it.
Got our sushi. Cucumber sushi. What? We got some dango.
Yeah.
We got some whatever that's called.
Hot singles, I don't know what they call it.
I don't know if that's gyoza. I always forget what gyoza is. I'll just read the label.
It's pot stickers.
Oh, I was right. Gyoza. Oh, I'm so proud of myself. Alright, so I've got some cheese, curry, cup of noodle. Because I was feeling adventurous.
Really? You were feeling adventurous with a cup of
Me?
noodle?
Oh yeah. You can be adventurous with food. It's my colorful dango.
I'm laughing at you because it's a cup of noodles and you're being adventurous with a cup
Hey,
of noodles.
you can be adventurous with anything. My sour cream and onion chips, so adventurous. Oh, it's my Japanese apple juice.
I need to take a picture of this feast.
And of course, the staple food. Tsunamayo onigiri. What? Tuna and mayonnaise. There's some Japanese sweet potatoes. This is very cultural. I feel like here's our box of tissues. So cultural.
Very. Don't mess.
Some kind of fruit. Some kind of fruit. Some kind of bread. What is it? Some kind of Italian food stuffed in a bread. Something exciting. There's a foreigner, tourist taking pictures. Very cultural. Here's our lemon tea. Here's our, I don't know, is that nata de coco?
Nata de coco and mango pudding.
Yeah.
Pudding.
Just open onigiri 101.
Yeah, I might need
Follow the numbers. That's all that's important. So here we have number 1. And here we have number 2. This one's number 3.
Oh, that's onigiri.
So you just follow it. This is onigiri.
So show her how it.
Alright? That's right. So we're gonna follow the numbers. See? There's 1, 2, 3. Yeah. And it's got rice inside. And then this one is a tuna mayo. So tuna and mayo. So you just take the little tab. You got number 1. You're gonna pull this all the way down. Around the back. All the way up. So you're gonna have 2 little pieces right here. So you follow the numbers. This one's number 2. You're gonna just pull this out.
Are they both number 2?
This one's number 2 and this one's number 3. But really, you can pull them both
Both at the same time.
at the same time.
And then your nori doesn't break.
Yeah.
Yeah, your nori doesn't break. And your nori is actually wrapped up so that it doesn't get soggy.
Yeah. So there you go. You have your onigiri. But I don't like nori. So those who do like nori, enjoy my access. Oh, whoa! What happened here?
I use it.
Look at that. It's like broken inside. That's so sad.
You must have gotten abused as a child.
hinted it had a poor childhood. Oh well. So that's how you open onigiri.
Let's try some dango. I have a general idea of what this stuff is, which is something like mochi and bean paste. That's what I've been told. And both of which are things that I'm not particularly fond of, but I like the color and I like dango, the idea of dango, so we're gonna try it.
One of my friends ate one already.
Oh, doesn't smell too pleasant, but we're gonna try it. Not sure how far we'll get, but we're gonna try it. Here we go. Oh. It's like biting into a really wet marshmallow. It's really sweet. Dango stash. At least I have a plan for the next one.
Hi, Owari.
Kawaii desho. It's like an edible traffic light.